A month-long training session for the 2022 Winter Olympics for Chinese ski team members in Saas-Fee, Switzerland, is drawing to an end. Starting on September 28, the training with the participation of 14 athletes is the first time for the Chinese ski team to have overseas training since the outbreak of COVID-19.
首先，单板滑雪是一个自由的、非常自由的一个项目，然后像这种蓝天白云这种美景，就是让人心情很好，所以我很喜欢，就是在雪上滑吧。对于冰雪爱好者，就是多走进雪场呗，然后多看一看，然后就是如果你哪怕你没兴趣，你可以试一下，然后你可以和大自然接触。
For the 2022 Olympics, my expectation as a coach or as somebody who's working with the Chinese team, we want to do our best. We want to showcase our best snowboarding and we want to win medals for the Chinese nation. We're working very hard, so with hard work comes results. So I always say the harder you work, the more luck you have.